Meeting someone new is exciting, but it can also make you feel a little nervous. Do you know what to say after hello? Many learners freeze because they don't know how to introduce themselves naturally. Today, we will learn the simple, polite way to have a casual first meeting and say your name. First, let's listen to the conversations. Listen to how they greet each other and say their names.
Excuse me, hi.
Oh, hello.
Is this seat free? The shop is very full today.
Yes, it is free. You can sit there.
Great, thank you very much. I really like this place. The coffee is excellent.
Yes, I agree. I come here every weekend.
That is nice. By the way, I'm Mark.
Hi, Mark. It is nice to meet you. I'm Sarah.
Good to meet you too, Sarah.
It is such a beautiful day to be outside.
Yes, it is. The sun is warm and perfect today.
I really love this park. It is so quiet and peaceful.
I agree. It is a great place to relax or read a book.
I see you here often, but hello. I don't think we've met.
No, we haven't. My name is Anna.
Hi, Anna. I am Lisa.
It is a pleasure to meet you, Lisa.
The pleasure is mine.
Hello there. That looks heavy. Do you need some help?
Oh, hi. No, thank you. It is actually very light.
Are you moving in today?
Yes, I am. I am the new neighbor in apartment 3B.
That is great news. Welcome to the building.
Thank you very much. Everyone seems very friendly here.
I'm David, by the way. I live right next door.
Nice to meet you, David. My name is Elena.
See you around, Elena.
Did you notice the simple patterns they used? When you want to tell someone your name, you have two easy choices. First, you can say, I am Shaylin, or the shorter version, I'm Shaylin. This is very common and casual. Second, you can say, my name is Shaylin. This is a little more formal, but perfect for every situation. And remember the polite reply. When someone tells you their name, you should answer with warmth. You can say, nice to meet you, or it is a pleasure to meet you. These small phrases show that you are friendly and confident. But there is one more important tip from our stories. Did you notice that they did not say their names immediately? First, they talked about the weather or the coffee. We call this small talk. When you want to stop the small talk and introduce yourself, use this bridge phrase, by the way. For example, by the way, I'm Mark. This helps you change the topic naturally. Now it is your turn to practice. Please answer these two questions in the comments below. What is your name and where are you from? Try using the full sentence we learned today. Don't be shy. Writing is the first step to speaking. I will be reading your answers. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this lesson made you feel more confident, please like this video. And remember to subscribe to JISH Learn English Podcast for more calm, clear lessons. I am Shaylin. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.